Hi, in this section of video I will discuss about how to create a box plot and how to create a box plot for each factorial level. So far we discussed about in the previous video how to do a add a line in your plot of like this horizontal mean and vertical mean of like this. So in this section I will discuss about that how to create a box plot. So let's get started with that. So do these things first. Call the box plot functions. Which box plot you want to do? Suppose air quality, which is the data set, and in this air quality I want to plot the temperature data set. Okay, so plot it. We'll get the box plot of air quality temperature data set like this, temperature data frame like this. So after that, suppose you want to one box plot for each of the factorial level. You want to do this thing. Suppose data I'm taking first, I will do with the another data. Suppose US. I'm taking this data US, sorry, US series, US serial, and from package, because the data set is not available in generally, that's why it is taken from the mass package. Okay, mass in capital. So, yeah, our data set is successfully imported. After that, use this data set and plot a box plot. Make a box plot, and in this box plot surge, I want to make the surge with the tilde symbol. It is called the tilde symbol, and shelf and data equal to use gradient. Okay, so plot it. Yeah, so you got the plot of like this, where the data is taken from US creel, and in the data is taken with the along x-axis is surge and y-axis is shelf, is like this. So if you want to know more about the data, you can plot the data here like US. Yeah, this data set, if you want to know, you can go out there and you can take it, and you can head of, suppose some of the data if you want to know. First head of this data, so we can see that head of the data set is like this data set. So we are using those things from US central data sets. Okay, all right, it is the things about how to do a box plot and to create a box plot for each of the factorial levels. So this is the video up to here. Please subscribe my channel, like my video, and share the video, and press the bell icon for more notifications. Have a nice day. Bye.